Hello Internet! I was riding a couple of days ago for the first time this year. It wasn't a big ride. I just wanted to give a spin to my bike. The last time I rode my bike was last October. We had a pretty typical winter here and still we have snow everywhere else but roads. I have not tried winter riding yet, but I have been thinking of getting spike tires and testing them for the following winter. I have a few friends who are riding throughout the year. Knowing the facts about winter riding is a good idea, and having to know the best possible sources to ask is not a bad thing. So, this short video is just showing me, my bike and my local roads. Nothing fancy. I took the video with my GoPro Max, which is a 360 camera. I'm still learning to use it, but I already like it a lot. There are so many possibilities in the post-production phase. It's easy to select a view or some exciting thing beside the road and make video clips out of it. The 360 camera is only an addition to camera gears. It can't be the only camera. It creates enormous files and the quality is only HD currently. But if you are interested in filming 360 and have some basic skills and understanding of it, give it a try. Otherwise, I'm waiting eagerly to have longer trips in good weather. I am still busy preparing my BMW K1600, nicknamed Snow White, and making the fairing installation video. I have maintained the bike during the winter pause and it's almost ready to roll. I got the bike last autumn and never had a chance to ride it properly, only short rides. But this year I'm going to ride it longer and farther. Let's get back on those ride videos later. See you in the next video.